Choosing new windows is about more than replacing old ones. It's about finding a style that complements your home's design while improving comfort and functionality. Slider windows are a popular option because of their clean look, easy operation, and versatility. For homeowners in Pell City, selecting the right slider window style can enhance both the appearance and everyday livability of the home. Understanding how slider windows work. Slider windows open horizontally along a track, with one or more panels gliding smoothly from side to side. This design makes them easy to operate and ideal for spaces where vertical opening windows may not be practical. In Pell City homes, slider windows are often chosen for their simplicity and ability to fit a wide range of room layouts. Matching slider windows to your home's architecture. Home design plays a key role in window selection. Slider windows with clean lines work especially well in modern and transitional homes, while more traditional homes may benefit from slider windows with subtle detailing or grid patterns. Pell City homeowners should consider how the window's frame style, proportions, and finish align with their home's exterior and interior design. Choosing the right frame material affects both appearance and durability. Slider windows are available in materials that offer sleek finishes and low maintenance. Selecting a material that complements siding and trim helps create a cohesive look. For Pell City homes, durable frame materials ensure windows maintain their appearance and performance over time. Selecting glass options for comfort and efficiency. Glass choice plays an important role in comfort. Modern slider windows can be customized with glass options that help control heat and improve indoor comfort. In Pell City homes, choosing glass that balances natural light with temperature control enhances everyday living. Considering window size and placement. Slider windows are ideal for wide openings and areas where expansive views are desired. Their horizontal design works well above countertops, along patios, or in living spaces. Pell City homeowners should consider how window size and placement will impact both exterior symmetry and interior usability. Enhancing natural light and views. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is their ability to provide large glass areas. Fewer frame interruptions allow for clearer views and more natural light. In Pell City homes, this feature helps brighten rooms and create a more open feel. Ease of use and maintenance. Slider windows are known for their user-friendly operation. Smooth tracks and simple mechanisms make them easy to open and close. For Pell City homeowners, low-maintenance designs reduce upkeep while maintaining reliable performance. Coordinating interior design elements. Interior design should also guide window selection. Slider windows can be customized to match trim, wall colors, and room decor. In Pell City homes, coordinating window style with interior finishes creates a polished, intentional look. Professional guidance makes the choice easier. Selecting the right slider window style involves balancing design preferences with functional needs. Professional guidance helps homeowners make informed decisions that suit their home and lifestyle. For Pell City residents, expert advice ensures slider windows enhance both appearance and performance. A stylish and practical choice for Pell City homes. Choosing the right slider window style can transform a home's look and feel. By considering architecture, materials, glass options, and placement, homeowners can select windows that complement their design and improve comfort. For Pell City homeowners, well-chosen slider windows offer a smart, stylish upgrade that delivers lasting value.